If your general unit develops a fault, it tells you on the screen itself. A warning triangle appears at the top. Touch status, and then error information. And two things come up. At the top, the address, which says which unit in the installation is complaining. Below it, the error code, which says what's wrong with it. And here's the honest warning, because it matters and hardly anyone says it. This controller has 8 codes of its own, which are the ones we're about to go through. Any other number that can appear there isn't its own. It belongs to the indoor or the outdoor unit, and every machine has its own in its manual. So if the one you're seeing isn't on this list, it isn't missing. It means the machine is the one reporting it, and at that point it's for us to look at. Here are all 8, in the manufacturer's own words. Code CC.1. According to the manufacturer, sensor error. Code C2.1. According to the manufacturer, transmission PCB error. These two belong to the controller, not to the machine. CC.1 is its own temperature sensor, the one reading the room. And C2.1 is its transmission board. Both are solved at the controller, and usually by replacing it. Code 12.1. According to the manufacturer, wired remote controller communication error. Code 12.3. According to the manufacturer, number excess of device in wired remote controller system. Code 12.4. According to the manufacturer, wired remote controller system startup error. All 3 are communication faults down the cable. 12.1 is the controller not getting through to the unit. 12.3 means there are more devices hanging off the line than it allows. And 12.4 means the system never managed to start up. Nearly always it's wiring, or how many controllers are fitted. Code 26.4. According to the manufacturer, address duplication in wired remote controller system. Code 26.5. According to the manufacturer, address setting error in wired remote controller system. These two are about addresses. Every device on the line has to carry its own. 26.4 means 2 of them share one. 26.5 means one is set wrong. It gets corrected at commissioning. It isn't the machine's doing. Code 15.4. According to the manufacturer, data acquisition error. 15.4 is a data acquisition error. It usually turns up alongside one of the others, and it gets looked at together with them. And that's it. Those are the controller's 8. What to do now? Write the address and the code down exactly as they appear, switch the unit off and call us. Don't leave it running with a warning on the screen. Many of these are protections, and a small fault can turn into a big one. We are JSL Mallorca, Joaquin and Juan, working on the island since 1998. Air conditioning, ducted systems, heat pumps, underfloor heating, electrical work and plumbing. And what we don't do, so there are no surprises, we don't do emergency call-outs. We work by appointment, because we'd rather take our time and do the job properly. If your system hasn't been serviced in a while, now is a good time. Call us on +34 609 09 8902 or 656 82 7925. Write to info@jslorca.com. Quotes are free and with no obligation.